Now we are on to test 4 IELTS 9 student book listening section 1. We have question 1 to 10 and you'll be provided with an audio. You have to listen to that audio and then you will be asked to answer these questions. So let me read it for you, the audio content. So that will be women.
Can I help you?
Yes, I've just moved to the area with my wife and children, and I would like to know where we can all register with a doctor at a health center.
Okay. Well, that's Dr. Greed at the Harvey Clinic. We always recommend her for babies because she's very good with them and she runs a special clinic.
Oh, actually, my youngest child is 5, so that wouldn't be any good for us.
Right.
Is there anywhere else I could try?
Yes. The Escol health practice is the next one on my list.
Uh, how do you spell that?
ESHCOL, and it's Dr. Fuller who has space on his list. This clinic only opened a year ago, so the facilities are all very modern.
That sounds good.
And it's particularly good if you're busy during, say, the day because they also do appointments in the evening. They are closed on Saturday though. The only other place on the list is the health center on Shore Lane. You can register with Dr. Gormley, that's Gormley. He is due there, but the center has a very good reputation.
Oh, yes, I think I know the road. That would be the best one, thanks. Could you tell me, will all their services be free?
There are usually some small charges the doctors make. Let me see what it says about the Shore Lane Center. If you need to be vaccinated before you any trips abroad, you won't have to pay for this. ERM, what else? The sports injury treatment service operates on a paying basis, as does the nutritional therapy service. Some health centers do offer alternative therapies like homeopathy as part of their pay to use service. Shoreline are hoping to do this soon. I think they may start with acupuncture. And finally, if you need to prove you're healthy or haven't had any serious injuries before a new employer will accept you, you can get a free fitness checkup there. But you would most likely have to pay for insurance, medicals though.
Okay, thanks.
You might be interested to know the center is running a pilot scheme of talks for patients. I've got the list here. Actually, they look very interesting.
What sort of things?
Well, the first one's about giving up smoking. It's next week, the 25th of February at 7 p.m., and that's in room 7. It says the talk will stress the health benefits, particularly for people with asthma or heart disease.
That sounds very interesting.
There's also a talk for families with children. It's on healthy eating and takes place on 1st of March at 5 o'clock.
Will that be at the health center?
Actually, it's at the primary school on Shore Lane. I imagine they are inviting the parents of pupils there. It says here, all welcome.
I might go to that if I have time.
There's a couple of other talks. One giving advice about how to avoid injuries while doing this exercise. It's on the 9th of March. Oh, it's a late afternoon talk at 4:30 and it will be in room 6. It also says the talk is suitable for all ages. And finally, there's a talk called stress management, which is
So this was the conversation between a man and a woman. So let us try to answer these queries now. So we have to write for question 1 to 4 only one word. The Harvey Clinic. Name of the center is Harvey Clinic because we are talking about health centers. Doctor name is Dr. Green. Advantage is specially good with. First, we always recommend her for babies. Means Dr. Green is always good, especially good with babies. Second one, the Dash Health Practice. The Dash, that is Eshcol. ESESHCOL. Eshcol. Dr. Fuller is there. Offers Dash appointments. They also do appointments in the evening. They provide evening appointments. So this was the third one. We realize that it is actually for evenings, appointments in the evenings. Now coming to the Shore Lane Health Center. This is Dr. Ford. This is Gormley. 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 Now coming to question 5 to 6. Choose two letters A to E. Which two of the following are offered free of charge at Shore Lane Health Center? So which facilities are provided free of the charge? Let us see them. First is there are various options actually. Let us see. If you need to be vaccinated before any road trips, you won't have to pay for this. For that, this is your travel advice. Or if you need to prove you are healthy or haven't had any serious injuries before a new employer will accept you, you can get a free fitness checkup. So it is actually, we have to choose two letters. This is not acupuncture. This is employment medicals. Yes, this is correct. Sports injuries therapy. No, for sports injury treatment service operate on a paying basis. This is also not correct. Then some health centers do offer alternative therapies like homeopathy and all. Shore Lane are hoping to do it soon. I think they may start with acupuncture. So this is not still under concern. If you need to prove you are healthy or haven't had any serious injuries before your new employer will accept you, you can get a free fitness checkup there. So you have a travel advice or vaccinations, not vaccinations, but it is travel advice D and it is B. So B and D is the correct answer. And coming to 7 to 10, complete the following table below. Write no more than 2 words or number. So talks for patients at Shore Lane Health Center. Subject of the talk is giving up smoking. Date time is 25th February at 7 p.m. Location is room number 4. Useful for people with asthma. Useful for people with asthma or health problem. So the sentence was, the talk will stress the health benefits of particularly for people with asthma or health disease. Then healthy eating, 1st March at 5 p.m. Location is at the primary school at Shore Lane. So it's a primary school at Shore Lane. Anyone welcome. Coming to the third one, avoiding injuries during exercise, 9th March at, so this is 9th one, 9th March at 4:30. So that will be 4:30, right? And it will be in room 6. Then for all, it also says the talk is suitable for all ages. So for all ages. So this was section 1, IELTS student book 9 we are talking about, test 4. Thank you so much. Take care.